car there.
So here's a fits.
I must say probably the vaccine for corona.
Bomba.
Yeah, just carry them and John give you a toe pull.
Careful.
Cure.
Careful. Wow, go on YouTube! Yo, fitz are forward. So this video going to be an update for the 1JZ fuel cut defender install, is me. So I'll wait upon him for forward and then you can ride along with me. Alright, so fitz just reach. So Fitz,
boy, it was an experience. No cap. You talk about speed, let's talk about the machine. First pull a Johnny and see that putting them just flashback on me. Or something staying on front here, like a little turn.
oh gosh.
It was good, it was good. It was a great experience still. It was a great experience.
Fitz first pulling out the car, see me. He didn't know about the Sora, but yeah, first time I drive on the BMW, so.
But
what you want? You want to see what you want to see?
Not just stick.
What is it?
No speeding for me. Take time and drive and go. What you say, Lexi? Lexi!
So Fitz, you would own a fast car?
Well, I have to think about it, you know. But not so fast though.
Not so fast, but car is slow, bro.
No.
The car well slow.
No. Don't make John tenant, John copy here.
The car well slow, bro.
John copy.
Car stop.
You know what you want to do? I must jet you want build. Because trust me, when John stop pull, this is the road and you just
Narrow down.
Narrow down. You're on the straight, this is the back of the car. It's like,
Can't have no sense.
bad man, machine bad, trust me.
It's just a pity we never record the Sora. You remember where they behaving at the Sora?
Yeah man, remember this
Carried it slow. I go up a year ends.
Rampton drive with it there and I tear down the stretch. But the machine there, you can't compare it to it, so you imagine the speed, bro.
Yeah, tell him to the car slow.
Yeah, it's slow.
It's slow?
Now try to bait me up.
I don't even know how the car feels now, so I don't even know.
If Lexi,
I'm talking, I'm talking.
Lexi ever go in the car there, Lexi come on with me. Done. Trust me, you can drive, bro, for real. Cause like number of time I feel the car come, so I have it.
I'm still up power, eh?
I still have power. It's not like say yo, whoa, I hear slam brakes.
Nah, bro, no, bro, them things are killing.
Well, change up. You say shit, that's how me stay.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
You can see the
machine!
Yeah man, machine man. You can see the quality of the video because the camera stick.
Yeah, I made a record with him iPhone.
Yeah.
So hopefully the video not look too shaky. Yeah, so Fitz say I got to keep time and go home.
Take the time, like cruise. Done with speed.
Don't worry. Yeah, I'm enough for 1 day.
1 day.
Probably 1 month.
Yes, man. Long cruising. Ride slow. Yeah.
Yo, mind your copyright video. Mind your copyright video. Really? What?
Can't fall asleep in the machine there. They can't fall asleep. No passenger can't fall asleep in that. That wake you up. Like coffee.
Like
worse
what?
than coffee. Yeah, I them home not even want blink.
Yo, bro. Remind the people them how you decontaminate your hand. Show them how I go on. Decontaminate your hand. Give them an example. Up. You. Yeah. So Fitz a guy in my yard now, you see me?
Make sure you have a spray bottle. Keeping social distance.
Yeah. Make sure you subscribe to Fitz and Rika, you see me?
Yeah.
I'll put the link in the description, you see me?
Sure.
So Fitz, what you gotta do now when you go?
Well, when we go home, I went shopping, right? So I'm gonna wash off them goods there before I'm putting in the fridge, you know what I mean? I'm gonna take this safety measures then, right?
Yeah.
So look at bleach water and stuff. Wipe off everything and then stock it.
Look out for film vlog, you see me?
Third,
Look out for
I'm
film
going
vlog.
trying to put on the making girl cut him, say, they nominate me, so you don't know it.
Yeah, oh, I'm gonna see the video yet, man.
So drop, man. So, come
Boy, I ramp with life.
Go on with it, you know. But the shave already, but no man, rugged, so you know what I mean?
Better shave, make sure Rika shave you.
Rika got shave me.
Up.
And hopefully she know mess up, you know.
Sharika, man, I doubt your skills. That no look good enough.
Have faith in Rika.
Sharika, mess it up.
Man, have faith in Rika.
A quarantine, him now going away.